Hello, Sarah, One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing here, and welcome back to the Google Ads checklist for e-commerce. In today's video, checklist item number 28, we are talking about price extensions. So I hope, especially if you are e-commerce, you have no excuse not to be using price extensions in your account. Let me just quickly show you what a price extension looks like. In this particular ad at the bottom here, where they are looking and at the bottom here it says starter package £280 a month. You can click the little more button here and then it gives you the various options along here, the growth package and the enterprise package, that shows obviously that the price is here. Now in an e-commerce business, obviously you can use these to great effect if you're talking about product categories. So you could say something like running shoes from $39.99, t-shirts from $10.99, whatever. And again, you need to be as specific as possible to either the campaign or the ad group. So again, you can add this extension at the account, campaign or ad group level. So the more specific you can be to your ad and the more relevant you can be to your ad, the better. So there's one way of doing it. You can either link to sort of categories of products and have a from price, or if it's on maybe an ad group level and you're looking at specific products, you can say, you know, this product, this price, this product, this price, this product, this price. They show slightly differently on mobile, but obviously this is how they would show up on a desktop. As with all the videos about these price extensions, I'll link to a video up here where I've recorded a previous video talking about how to create price extensions and going into a little bit more detail about actually how to create them and what you need to do. But for the purposes of this video, obviously we are just checking to make sure that wherever you can, you are actually using your price extensions in your account. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to comment below if you have any questions or if there are any topics that you would like me to cover in future videos. Subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care now. Bye.